Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, backup camera, Bose sound system, traction control, backup sensor, keyless entry, remote engine start, dual airbags, moonroof, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.